Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET Principles of Inheritance and Variations with Inheritance of One Gene or Monohybrid Cross. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow, and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the inheritance pattern of one gene or monohybrid cross experiment conducted by Mendel. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on around 29,000 of pea plants in a place it is called Augustinian Monastery where Gregor Mendel lived and conducted his experiments. During 7 years of conducting experiments on pea plant and he proposed his laws of inheritance. Mendel experimented with a variation of different breeding techniques by using pea plants with different traits and recording the results of their offsprings. Peas were an ideal choice for Mendel to use because they had easily observable 7 pairs of contrasting traits which he could manipulate. Pea plants make a convenient system for study of inheritance and they are still studied by some of the genetics nowadays also. Useful features of pea includes their rapid life cycle and their production of lots and lots of seeds during reproduction. There are three major steps in Mendel's experiment. In this, the first step is he produced a parental generation of true breeding plants. A true breeding plants means they having homozygous condition. In Mendel's experiment, the true breeding parental plants are always selected with the help of pure line method. This pure line method it helps to produce homozygous parental individuals. These are produced by conducting a self pollination for many generations. If the parental plants are present in heterozygous condition, that will be converted into homozygous called true breeding plants. In second step, he produced second generation of plants called F1 plants by breeding two different true breeding parental plants. Then he produced third generation of plants called F2 generation. These are produced by conducting a self-pollination between two F1 generation plants or hybrids having same trait. Mendel monohybrid cross or one gene inheritance. A hybrid between two species that only have a difference of one gene or a single pair of contrasting or differentiating characters is considered as in a cross is called monohybrid cross. In his first experiment, Mendel cross-pollinated true breeding plants of contrasting traits such as purple and white color flowered plants. The true breeding parental plants are referred to as P generation, that means parental generation. Monohybrid cross experiment with flower color. In monohybrid cross experiment, Mendel selected two plants as a parents. In these, the first parental plant can produce purple color flowers having a genotype capital P capital P. The second parental plant, it having white color flowers with small p as a genotype. Both these homozygous purple and white color flowers plants are used as a parent to conduct a cross in between these two. These parental plants can produce gametes at this time. Each parental plant can produce gametes. These are only one type because homozygous parental individuals can produce only one type of gametes with capital P or with small p. These gametes are fused to form F1 generation. In this F1 generation, only purple color flowered plants are produced, but the white color flower plant character not appeared in F1 generation. Again, by conducting a self-pollination in between two F1 hybrids, he produced F2 generation. At this time, the F1 individual can produce two types of gametes. Because of heterozygous condition, this F1 hybrid can produce two types of gametes. In these, 50% of gametes having capital P alleles and remaining 50% of gametes having small p alleles. After conducting a self-pollination in between two F1 hybrids, totally 4 plants are produced in F2 generation. In these 4 plants, 3 plants having purple color flowers and 1 plant having white color flowers. This character is hidden in F1 generation. Again, it appeared in F2 generation. One more monohybrid cross or one gene inheritance experiment with stem height as a example. In monohybrid cross, two individuals with homozygous genotypes having capital T, small t, which result in the opposite phenotypes called tall and dwarf for a certain genetic traits. Mendel he crossed tall, that is a long stemmed plant, and dwarf, short stemmed pea plant to study the inheritance of one gene. In this monohybrid cross experiment, one tall plant with the capital T as a genotype, one dwarf plant with small t as a genotype. These two plants are selected as a parent. These are homozygous in condition. These homozygous parental individuals can produce only one type of gametes. The tall plant can produce only one type of gametes with capital T. Dwarf plants also can produce only one type of gametes with small t. These gametes are fused to form F1 generation. In this F1 generation, all plants having tall, but the dwarf character not appeared in F1 generation. Again, by conducting a selfing in between two F1 hybrids to get F2 generation, at this time, this F1 individual can produce two types of gametes. In these, 50% of gametes are with a capital T, remaining 50% of gametes are with a small t. These gametes are fused randomly to form F2 generation. In this F2 generation, totally 4 plants are produced. In these, 3 plants having tall character and 1 plant having dwarf character. These are produced with 3:1 ratio. Mendel's monohybrid cross with 7 pairs of contrasting characters and his result. Mendel, the similar type of monohybrid cross experiment conducted with all 7 pairs of characters, and the result is follow this. The first character, stem height. In stem height, tall is a dominant character denoted with capital T. Dwarf is a recessive character denoted with small t. After conducting monohybrid cross experiment in F2 generation, totally 1064 plants are produced. In these, 787 plants are tall and 277 plants are dwarf. Their result is calculated as 2.84 is to 1 as a phenotypic ratio. The second character, flower color. In flower, purple or violet is a dominant character denoted with capital P. White color flower is a recessive character denoted with small p. After completion of a monohybrid cross experiment, in F2 generation, totally 929 plants are produced. In these, 705 plants are with a dominant character, 224 plants are with a recessive character. Its result is calculated as 3.15 is to 1. The third character, flower position. Axial position is a dominant character. It is denoted with capital A. Terminal position is considered as recessive character denoted with small a. After completion of monohybrid cross experiment, totally 858 plants are produced in F2 generation. In this, 651 plants are with a dominant character and 207 plants are with a recessive character. Its result is calculated as 3.14 is to 1. The fourth character, fruit color or pod color. Green is a dominant color denoted with capital G. Yellow is the recessive character denoted with small g. In F2 generation, totally 580 plants are produced. In these, 428 plants are with a dominant trait, 152 plants are with recessive trait. Its result is calculated as 2.82 is to 1. The fifth character, fruit shape. Inflated character is a dominant denoted with capital I. Constricted is the recessive character denoted with small I. In F2 generation of monohybrid cross, he got 1181 plants. In these, 882 plants are with dominant characters, 299 plants are with recessive character. Its result is calculated as 2.95 is to 1. The sixth character, seed color. Yellow color seeds are the dominant character. It is denoted with capital Y. Green color seeds are recessive character denoted with small y. After monohybrid cross in F2 generation, 8023 plants are produced. In these, 6022 plants are with a dominant character, 2001 plants are with a recessive character. Its result is calculated as 3.01 is to 1. The seventh character, seed shape. Round character in seed is a dominant denoted with capital R. Wrinkled character is a recessive denoted with small r. In monohybrid cross experiment, after completion of F2 generation, totally 7,324 plants are produced. In these, 5,474 plants are with a round shape, 1850 plants are with a wrinkled shape. It is recessive and its result is calculated as 2.96 is to 1%. These are the result obtained from monohybrid cross experiment conducted by Mendel with 7 pairs of contrasting characters. Monohybrid cross explanation. The cross-pollination of tall and dwarf plant resulting in tall plants only. All the hybrid plants were tall in F1 generation and he called this as first hybrid generation. It is F1 and offsprings are called filial 1 or F1 progeny. He observed that entire F1 progeny showed one pattern in their behavior. They resembled only one of its parent. Another parental characters were completely absent. Mendel then self-pollinated the tall F1 plants, and to his surprised to found that in the filial 2 generation, some of the offerings were dwarf. The characters that was not seen in F1 generation was now expressed. He conducted an experiment with all 7 pairs of contrasting pairs, and he called such a surprised trait as a recessive trait and expressed trait as a dominant trait. The proportion of plants that were of 3 by 4th of plants in F2 are tall, while 1 by 4th of F2 plants were dwarf. The traits were expressed in the portion 3:1 ratio. It is calculated as the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 always. Due to this dominance of one character over the other, that all the F1 are tall through genotype is capital T, small t. And in F2, 3 by 4th of plants were tall through genotypically 1 by 2% of plants are capital T, small t, and only 1 by 4th of plants are with capital T, capital T. Finally, 1 by 4th of plants are dwarf with small t, small t. In monohybrid cross, 1 by 4th of a random fertilization leads to capital T, capital T. 1 by 2 leads to capital T, small t, and 1 by 4th it leads to small t, small t. The F1 have a genotype of capital T, small t, but the phenotypical character seen as tall. At F2 generation, 3 by 4th of plants are tall, where some of them capital T, while other are capital T, small t. Externally, it is not possible to distinguish between the plants with the genotype capital T and capital T, small t. The genotypic pair capital T, small t, only one character capital T, tall is expressed. Hence, the character capital T or tall is said to dominate over another allele small t or dwarf character. This leads to a phenotypic ratio of 3 by 4th of tall, 1 by 4th capital T, 1 by 2 capital T, small t, and 1 by 4th of plants are small t, and its phenotypic ratio is 3:1. But the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. The 1 by 4th is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 4th ratio of capital T, small t is mathematically condensable to the form the binomial expression ax plus by whole to the power of square that has the gametes bearing genes capital T or small t in equal frequency of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 t plus 1 by 2 small t whole to the power of square is equal to 1 by 2 t 1 by 2 small t into 1 by 2 capital T plus 1 by 2 small t is equal to 1 by 4 capital T plus 1 by 2 capital T small t plus 1 by 4 small t. It is calculated as a genotypic ratio as 1:2:1. The tall and the dwarf traits were identical to their parental type and did not show any blending. That is, all offsprings are either tall or dwarf, none were of between height. He also concluded that some factors are inherited by offsprings from their parents over successive generations. Later, these factors are called as genes. Genes are responsible for the inheritance of traits from one generation to other generation. Genes consist of a pair of alleles which codes for different traits. If a pair of alleles in the same like capital T or small t, such alleles are called homozygous pair, while those that are different or non-identical like a capital T small t are considered as heterozygous pair. Laws of inheritance proposed by the Mendel based on monohybrid cross. The first law of inheritance is law of dominance. Based on the result of F1 generation, Mendel developed the first law of inheritance is called law of dominance because in F1 generation only one of the parental character is expressed. The characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. These factors occur in pairs. In dissimilar pair of factors, one member of pair dominates, that is called dominant, the other is recessive. The law of dominance is used to explain the expression of only one of the parental character in monohybrid cross in F1 and the expression of both in F2. It also explains the portion of 3:1 obtained at F2 generation. The second law of inheritance is law of segregation. Based on the result of F2 generation, Mendel developed the second law of inheritance. It is called law of segregation. The law of segregation states that for any trait, each parent's pairing of genes called alleles, these alleles split and one gene pass from each parent to an offsprings, which particularly gene in a pair gets passed on is completely up to chance. Due to segregation of alleles, pure gametes are formed, so that this law is also called law of purity of gametes. In the first step of monohybrid cross, the homozygous trait of an individual are crossed. In the next step, when the heterozygous traits are crossed, it is confirmed whether the trait is dominant or recessive. Mendel self-pollinated the F1 plants and found that dwarf F2 plants continued to generate dwarf plants even after F2 generation in F3 and F4 generation also. That means except F1 generation remaining in F2, F3, F4 generation also the dwarf character, recessive character is expressed according to Mendel. He concluded that the genotype of dwarf was homozygous, always it is small t finally. Some of the exemptions for monohybrid cross. One is incomplete dominance. In case in which one allele is not completely dominates over the other, that is trait blending together means medium character between character is expressed. In second case, polygenic inheritance. In this case, which many genes codes for one trait. Codominance. In this case, in which both alleles contribute to the phenotype of an organism. Multiple alleles. One gene has more than two alleles. In these four cases, Mendel's monohybrid cross experiment knowledge and result not resemble these four like incomplete dominance, polygenic inheritance, codominance, multiple alleles. These are exempted from monohybrid cross of Mendel result. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, share my videos to your students and friends.